Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix iPhone backup button grayed out. For example, if you try to back up your iPhone in iCloud and you see backup button is grayed out, so how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply make sure take some necessary action. For example, you have to check whether your Wi-Fi connection is working properly, and here you have to simply turn on airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off so that your Wi-Fi connection can be restarted. And the next thing you have to do is you have to click on settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to click on that, and here what you have to do, you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. You have to click on reset, and here you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to make sure that all of your network setting has been restarted. And here what you have to do, you have to click on your name or Apple ID, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of iCloud. And the first thing, you have to check whether your iCloud storage is enough to back up your data. And if it is not enough, then you can simply manage your iCloud backup, which means you can simply delete some data so that you can simply back up your iCloud without any problem. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and you have to click on iCloud backup, and you have to make sure that this backup button is turned on. And after that you have to wait for some seconds so that it can back up now. So here you can see that that backup now button is available. But if you have already turned this on toggle and it is grayed out, so how you can fix that? The first thing you have to do is you have to check whether you do not have reset your iPhone or you do not have restarted your iPhone, and you have to wait for some seconds so that it can show the backup. When you restart your network setting or iPhone, this backup button grays out instantaneously when you try to back up your iPhone after turning it on. So you have to make sure that that backup now button is not grayed out. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.